Hello everybody. Today I have a surprise for my sister. Then come on. Come sister. Come. Today I have a surprise for my sister. She's right here.
I don't know what's happening, okay? So
Wait. Just come.
I can't
Come.
even see the steps. You don't know.
Come. And it's like you see today I have a surprise. Hold here.
What is it?
Hold here. Hold. No, not there. There. Hold that.
Okay, what's that?
Open there.
Open it nicely. Ow. Oh God.
There you go. She got that.
Oh! Oh my goodness! What's that? Is that my car?
Yeah.
Oh jeez. Oh, wait.
She's going in.
Oh my goodness. You know, like, it's a real car, like, you know,
You see?
you know, this is like a dream, like, I've always wanted this car, like, let's see if I can start it. I don't even know how to start it. What's wrong now, bro?
Just step on the brick.
This one.
Yeah. Oh, put it on H. H. H.
I wonder what's this is so exciting. Like, brother, I don't know how to start this car, like.
There we go.
Oh my goodness, like, and you see,
I really tried a lot to get my sister this car. I had to force my dad all the time.
yes,
Reverse.
I'm gonna
No.
to change that, yo. Oh, we
Take
do
it
that
down.
so hard.
Take it down.
Yeah,
There we go.
there we go. Like, you guys,
Oh, slowly, not hard.
Oh my goodness, like going down, yo. Oh, it's so cool.
Oh, back.
Then how do you take out this? Oh, like, this is the key, you guys. Yeah. I'll see you. Bye.
Okay, now we're going that side.
Okay, I gotta go. Oh, God. I need to take it to my house, yo.
Okay. Woohoo! Look at the spits, the gear,
Yeah, just like-
everything, the winch,
I'm so
the
crazy
gear.
about this car, like.
Let's go.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh, God. Like, I got like.
Shit, phone na kayo. Ano daw?